14. Hmm? Zephyr, look at the bulldozer.
Paradise, Pennsylvania. J2, Brooksville, PO, Philadelphia, Newark, and New York. That's get out there and run fast enough to catch a 90 mile an hour Amtrak train. That is. It's quite a little difficult to believe, folks, but you're in Paradise, Pennsylvania. That is. Let's find you face it.
No, keep your finger out of your nose.
Especially if you got cold, you're stuck. Hey, just a reminder, have your camera.
Zephyr, come here, come sit in your chair. Have him sit in his chair. Zephyr, sit in your chair like a big boy.
Well, local foreign train is old number 90 was built back in 1924 by the Railroad Works out of Philadelphia. Weighs in approximately 180 tons.
Thank you.
The railroad carries 15 tons of coal and 9,000 gallons of water.
You put words in your mouth.
Engineer today.